how to check your loan balance in Regions Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see how much you own on your loan, well here is how to check your loan balance online with Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you can simply click loans and select the loan you want to view. And there you'll see your current balance, upcoming payments, interest rate and payoff amount. So there you can use the option to view recent payments or download statements for your records. And that's it. That's how you can easily track your Regions Bank loan balance online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.